Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th, 10th chapter, Banks and Simple Interest, Part 2. Now, in the previous lecture, we have studied what is bank. Bank means what? Bank is an institutions which help us to carry out the transaction of money. Clear? Then we have seen what are the different types of account. The different types of accounts are saving account, current account, recurring deposit account and fixed deposit account. Now today we will see what is passbook. Now a passbook first of all is issued for a saving account and a recurring deposit account. Clear? Passbook is not issued for a current account and a fixed deposit account. Passbook is only issued for a saving and a recurring deposit account. Now amounts deposited, withdrawn and the balance are recorded in it with their dates. Clear? Whatever amount you are withdrawing, whatever amount you are depositing in your account, that all the transaction will be recorded in this passbook with date. Clear? Now let's see how you will observe the entries made in your passbook. See, first column is of line number. Clear? Second column is for date. Third column is for particulars, means whatever transaction happens in your account, that all will be shown here in the particulars. If you have deposited the money with check, or you have deposited the money with cash, or you have given someone else with the help of the check, all are mentioned in this particulars. Clear? Then it will be a check number. Clear? Whenever you are depositing the money or you are giving to someone else with the help of check, that check number will appear in the check number column. Clear? Then next column is amount withdrawn. Clear? Withdrawn, I had explained you what is withdrawn and deposited. Withdrawn means the amount you are removing from your account. Clear? And the next column is amount deposited, means whatever amount you are adding to your account it means deposited. Clear? And the last column is of balance, means what amount is remaining in your account. Clear? Now see, first one, on 2/2/16 the amount deposited was dash rupees and the balance dash rupees. Now here we have to write down what amount is deposited on 2nd Feb 2016. Clear? And what is the balance on that date. Now amount deposited, we have to see in the deposited column. See, your date is 2/2/16. Now we have to see in the deposited column how much amount they have deposited. 1500. So here we will write down 1500. Clear? And what is the balance on that date. Now see the last column, balance column. What is the balance? 7000. So here we will write down 7000 rupees is the balance. Clear? Now see the next one. On 12/2/16 dash rupees were withdrawn by check number 243965. The balance was dash rupees. Now on this date, 12th Feb 2016, what you have to do, you have to see how much amount is withdrawn. So where is 12/2? Yes, here is 12/2. So in which column you will see? In the withdrawn column you will see 12/2/2000. See how much money is withdrawn by the check number 243965, 3000. So here you will write down 3000. And what further we have to do? We have to find out the balance. The balance was dash rupees. So on this date, what is the balance? The balance is 9000 rupees. So here we will write down 9000. Clear? Now see the next one. On 26/2/2016, the bank paid an interest of dash rupees. Now what interest bank has paid on 26/2/2016? See, 26/2/2016, bank has paid an interest. Now bank has paid an interest. So where it will come? In withdrawn column or deposit column? Deposit column it will come. Clear? So how much interest bank has paid? Bank has paid the interest of 135 rupees. Clear? Like this you have to observe your passbook. Understood? Now let's see what is debit card and credit card. Now a debit card or credit card is used to carry out the transaction without using cash. Understood, students? An account holder can get such a card on request to the bank. Now see student, what is debit card? Now whenever the word come debit means deduct. So whenever you will use your debit card for whatever purpose, directly the money will be deducted from your account. Clear? You can use your debit card for withdrawing cash from ATM. You can use your debit card for paying the bills. Understood? So whatever purpose you will use your debit card, the money will be directly deducted from your account. Understood? And you can use the money whatever is present in your account, that much money you can use with the help of your debit card, and no interest is charged for using your debit card. Clear? Now see what is credit card. Now whenever you are using the credit card, means what you are doing, it means that buy today, pay it later. Clear? Means you are buying the goods now but you are paying that bill afterward. Clear? Bank will give you a period, clear time period to clear that bills. Understood? So, and when the payment is not made to the bank within the specified time period, so bank will charge you the interest. Understood? You are using the credit card, what you are doing, what you are taking a loan. Clear? It is same as a loan, means you are taking now, you are purchasing now but you are paying it later within a specific time period. Understood? And if you have not paid within the specified time period, bank will charge a interest. Now let's see what are the difference between the credit card and the debit card. Now see what are the difference between the debit card and the credit card. Now when you are using your debit card, means what you are doing, you are spending your own money. Understood? And when you are using your credit card, means what, buy now, pay later. Means you are purchasing the things now but you are paying for paying the bills for that things later. Understood? And for debit card, bank doesn't charge an interest, but for credit card, bank will charge an interest if you have not paid the amount within the given time period, so bank will charge you the interest. Understood? For debit card, bank doesn't charge any annual fee, but for credit card, bank will charge a annual fee. Clear? Now next topic is ATM. Now everyone knows what is ATM. Clear? What are the uses of this ATM? Now with the help of your ATM card, you can withdraw the money from this ATM machine. ATM card means your debit card. So with the help of your debit card, you can withdraw the money from this ATM machine. Clear? What else you can do in this ATM machine? Now you can check the balance of your account. Clear? In this ATM machine, you can get the mini statement of your account in this ATM machine. Clear? You can change the pin of your debit card with the help of this ATM machine. Clear? Now let's see what is the full form of the ATM. The full form of the ATM is automated teller machine. Thank you.